cold, ke masana. Sana, I am so grateful. Hey my loves, how you doing? I know it's been a while, Sana. Like I know, okay, I know. Sana, life problems, okay? But we will get into that. Like totally right, like I'll spill all the beans, okay? Please bear with me, okay? So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Busapika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're my returning star, be my day one, my dozazaza, okay? My bestie, Sana. Thank you so much for coming back. Love you lots, Kesana. Namkelekile khaya. Please, nize ningazonilibale lonto namkelekile khaya. Namkelekile ngenani anytime nifuna kuko wenu nalapha, okay? So guys, and that's not calling happy because I am grateful, okay? I am grateful. I'm about to enter another year and I'm trying to 30 and I was just like, you know what? How about I document this moment of my life, because as you guys know, I love birthdays. I cherish every moment in my life. I celebrate every moment in my life. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this. Let me celebrate Nani Apa. And Sana, I am so happy. I'm just a blessed girl, okay? I am so happy. I'm about to enter another year and my man, my friends, my family, you did that. Thank you so much. So, Zonbona Kusasa, guys. Aku birthday, the girl of the moment. So, masilale no kangogo, okay? Masilale, masi shrunk tell, silale, and then so bonana kusasa. Good night.
Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Sana sisigebenga abantu endihlala nabo apha endlini. Mina ndilele apha xa abandilinde uba mandilale. Ndiva sendizovusa icake. Engaze ngamkiss. Uzonikisa nana. Hlana sigebenga. Oh baby, also ungenze happy biangle. Oh Sana. Oh, to be loved. Yeah. So it's a volume. Hey my loves, welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. So namhlanje is 31. Guess what's happening? Sana birthday yam, okay? I am dressed up and we are ready to go. Sana, I am so grateful. So today in the I was sleeping. I was asleep. And then ndivasekhala happy birthday. Xa ndivuka ndithi ntla, hayibo nguba bengane nengane bayaculela mina. Me. Okay, so I was like, I'm so grateful bethunana. Like andazi ndizithini. Umuntu birthday yayo otya ndoni, ithini into yakhe. So guys, yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Ndiyalazela namhlanje. Just like I am, okay? Beautiful as I am. And then there's a style AC. And then esiwutikomodisa ke sana siphethuka ngapha nangapha ukuthi nje kubhizi. So yeah guys, ngizonibonisa i-OOTD asesingaphandle, so enjoy. Alright. So obengane uthe masihlambeni siyambeni, and guess what, I follow the rules, okay? Visor for now. Hey my loves, so here we go again, get OOTD. So this is the outfit of the day. Yeah, she's going to put in this purse, and then enjoy. Let's go. Yeah. Oh no, to the suit. Guys, as I thought my birthday is over because namhlanje ziwana zika April ibizolo. I mean, guess what, okay, umntanami baphumile apha bengatsho baba yabo, okay, ngeke mina ngibahambile bayolungisa imoto only for them to come back. Boys wathi ngishele i-ice cream, why into yeah, wathi ngishele i-ice cream my son, and then voila. What? Yeah, Babanganya, I love my flowers. Oh, you guys, these, wow. And a cover, pink, like pink, my favorite color. But we are no good, yeah, like Goka boys are all good. And then chicken licking, KFC, and then a box ngaphathi khona ukutya okuninzi, like wow. And then i-cake yami kungona besoyisika namhlanje, so andazi noma ngithini, like I am so grateful. I am so grateful. Oh. Yeah.
You did something, shit like it don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. Oh no, and no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna go to the blue, just to put it down on you.
Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. Long before it all becomes. Still can't give it.
Oh, Sana. Ivulelwa ngaphi kana? Ayisupta. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. To 24 years old, Kimasana. Oh, Sana. Too fruitful and manifold prosperity. Yeah, you're not young alone. Success to success, to imali eningi, to umsebenzi, to yonke into edingekayo, like cheers. I know, right? Oh, Sana, listen. I'm so John. So, bye, guys. Iba more like killer. Big man, is it? Am I saying can throw it?
Baby.
100. Hi my loves. Oh, Sana and Yakowa, I'm going through a lot and I think this is the end of our vlog. I was planning to vlog Ksasa when we go to town to buy toilet so utensils is in Denzan. Can you guys please comment down below on what can I use for utensils because I've tried strepsils, grandpa, like kuyefana. I am in pain. So ngoku into endizoyenza ndiyolungisa iflowers zam because ndizithole izolo banana, okay. Undithengele zona izolo, ndinike zona izolo, and then I wasn't able to, and then the shine ndangabikho able to ehlise volume ndangabikho able ukubana ndizi-arrange kakuhle. So yeah, and Sana ndiyazithanda kakhulu because zine all my favorite flowers is corner, like roses, tulips, lilies, daisies, like he did that, okay. So yeah guys, ngoku into ndiyoyenza ukubana ndi-arrange flowers zam and then ndiwaselile amarhewu. I don't know if I'll be able to eat, but sizobona. So if vlog yethu iyaphelela apha, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, Tandwa. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your continuous support. So nje enkosi guys, bayangcola e-background like andazi noba abekho awe babahleli ne celebrity. Okay, ndikho Marvel. So yeah guys, yeah, I don't know if this will be able to eat, but I love you so much. Please share a video Lena to your cousins, your best friends, your case, your boyfriend. So yeah guys, bye. I'll see you on the next vlog. Please stay tuned. Be consistent, and yeah, I'm just praying because kuningi and it's getting kuningi day by day. So bye. See you on my next one. Hey my loves, so namhlanje ku Saturday. I know babenthe vlog izophelela bekunini ngoku ngithethe bekuyizolo kanye ngolwesine and asikhonanga noba siye etown yezolo because tonsils ndiyazihlonipha eva. And I didn't know tonsils is a contagious, like, is it contagious? Kunzima ilwimi linzima nokukhupha amagama. Then ngazi uba ziyanikezela, but ndinikezele ubaba ngomntu wami. Ngoku kugula yena. And mna ndiyaphola rhanyana. But zisekhona, as you can hear ivoice yami uba ikakaphumi kakuhle. Zibuhlungu, andazi ukwenza ziqaphukile zimhlophe like. Andithethe eyokutya kona andikwazi nokutya sana but besiya etown namhlanje siqonda uba masiye because obvious like asikwazanga ukuya yizolo. So this was my OOTD content wethu. So siqale I had izinto zakesana, my favorite bag, okay. So siqale eShoprite sathenga apples and then plate ezi paper plates for boys njengoba bentshiba siyogqibezela izinto zakhe zesikolo. And then bebethi bafuna baby wipes but abanga specific uba bafuna eziphi, so thina sithenge ezi because bathe zibe 3 in a pack yabo. So obviously 1, 2, 3 sathenga ezi 364. And then Listerine because I believe uba into yenza uba sibe ne-tonsils kuba kuphela i-Listerine yethu. Andazi. At this point sizama kwaneza ziphelisa because wow, this is painful, okay. And then sathenga this Dettol antiseptic liquid which is 750 milliliter. Izinto ziyadura guys. Izinto ziyadura. And then amaheu because asikwazi ukutya. Anka bekungawakhe and then awami ngawamabele. Nobe isikuphi singasemodeni but yeah sesiwagqibile because sithande anko kakhulu. And then anka mnandi nawo but anobo babu muncu mani ngoku amahewu ngoku andazi why. And then bekuzi biscuits ezikabhozo bese. That's all we got ebentukeni eShoprite. And then sayodlula eSpar because ezinye izinto zange sikhona ukuzithola eShoprite. eSpar ndiye ndathenga i-creamy mushroom soup because ndifuna ukwenza i-mushroom namhlanje kunye ne-potato. Yes, ndizoyitrya guys. I don't know bi-taste njani anditholanga ilentuka ingredients p onto kungona ndizotry ukupheka namhlanje mushroom nento ne-mashed potato nenyama. So andazi wish me luck. And then guys, iyona nto besiphila ngayo le. Imagine ilentuka i-strepsils, as I said bana azisebenzi strepsils guys, ngabe ndiyaxoka oko ndimunca from nge-1 zika-April oko ndimunca but hey into iselapha. But at least i-grandpa yona iyayiphelisa intloko ndifuna ukuxoka nomuntu wami lakho ugqiba kusela ngoku because ubuhlungelwana ngumzimba ke nakhe like yo kana niyawazi nathi amadoda xa begula vele bengathi hayi kuphela umhlaba. So grandpa ndithenge ipack le because bekungekho yabo ezezincinci eziphumayo bekhona ipack le yodwa. And then sunlight bar soap bekuyinto i-500 grams. Yeah, related times 4 so show 224. And then for umntanami because uhlamba ngale ngomnye nje naye osokolisayo when it comes to skin sakhe. He is sensitive eva. So sasithenga ezi sizithola entweni eShoprite. So yeah, sizithola eShoprite. Little saver 9 rolls 2 ply. Yeah, classic 2 ply. So yeah guys, that's all we got. And then ngoku ndifuna ukulentuka ukuzama ukupheka because asikakatyi and ixesha ngoku ixesha ngolentuka ku-11 minutes past 5 ixesha, and asikakatyi guys. Kutye nje umntu osoloko sitya umntana eyi-12 years because akananto mosiyena, so uyazityela uboys akanangxaki, and then thina asikakatyi guys. Into esiyiselile ngoku xa sibuye etawuni ngamarhewu angawamabele qha, and sivuke ngabo-1 cinga oko silele, sivuke ngabo-1 to show nje ubana eyi. So yeah guys, nibona xa sinandipheka ke, if nakhona ndizokwazi ukuba ndinibonise into endizoyipheka, andazi. And into ebuhlungu endehleleyo, so bendisicela uba njengoba like obviously singakwazi ukutya okuqinile kwathina, ndizopheka i-creamy mushroom, mashed potato ne-chicken, yabo, into ezithambile wethu. Jonga i-mushroom yakhona bolile, but le yakwazi ukuwayo. Iwesiba sithenge creamy mushroom soup, like bendizopheka into engasuki phansi, like di-ready danam. So yeah, yo